100 spoken English questions and answers. Have you done this before? No, it's the first time. Where are you coming from? I am coming from college. Why are you laughing? Because I am happy. Why are you sad? Because I didn't get the job. Why are you shouting? Because he insulted me. Whom do you want to see? I want to meet the manager. When will you arrive? I will arrive this afternoon. Whose bag is this? This is John's bag. Whose car is this? This is my car. When will you come? I will come tomorrow.